Did you know that tap water, which is available 24 hours a day, 365 days of the year, costs less than a penny a gallon? Many customers simply look at their water bill and write a check. But have you ever wondered how the amount due on the bill is actually calculated and who sets the rates? San Jose Water Company does not set the rates we charge for water service. Rates are determined by an independent third party, the California Public Utilities Commission. The commission exists to protect utility customers by making sure the rates charged by utilities are just and reasonable. California law requires San Jose Water Company to file a general rate case application, proposing new water rates once every 3 years. The application, which includes many thousands of pages of data, is thoroughly reviewed by Commission staff, as well as the Independent Office of Ratepayer Advocates. Public input is also considered before a final decision is made, and new rates are approved by the Commission. This transparent and thorough process can take a year or more to complete, and new rates are typically effective January 1st of a given year. The process for determining rates for water service is complicated and lengthy, but what determines your rates is very simple. Rates are calculated based on all of the costs involved in delivering safe, clean, and reliable water service. For example, if it costs San Jose Water Company $10 to deliver safe and reliable water, we bill customers $10. Some customers may ask, why do my rates go up when I reduce my water use by 20%? And why isn't my bill reduced by a proportional amount? It's a good question. It has to do with the balance between fixed costs and variable costs. Fixed costs include water mains or pipes, wells, pumps, valves, tanks, and fire hydrants, amongst many other items. These costs do not change based on water use and account for 70% of the San Jose Water Company's total cost. In your household, the rent or mortgage you pay is a fixed cost because it does not change based on the number of people living in the home. However, your household costs for groceries and utilities vary depending on the number of people living in your home. Similarly, variable costs include things like electricity, chemicals, equipment, and labor, which can change based on actual water use. These costs make up the remaining 30%. Let's apply the fixed and variable cost concepts to a very simple example. Suppose a water utility projects it will sell 10 units of water in the coming year. The total cost to produce the 10 units is $10, so the utility must ultimately charge $10 to cover the total cost of service. Their fixed and variable costs are broken down as follows. When we bill for service, the fixed and variable costs are reversed due to regulatory requirements as shown here. If the customer uses 10 units of water as projected by the utility, then the utility's cost of service is equal to the amount billed, even though the proportion of fixed and variable costs differ. Now let us consider the same example when the customer conserves 20% and now only uses 8 units. The water utility's fixed cost remains the same at $7. To pay for the costs of delivering water to the tap, regardless of how much or how little is consumed. The variable cost, however, is reduced 20% from $3 to $2.40. However, the customer is only billed $8.60. Because the total bill is now less than the cost of service, the unit rate or variable charge for water must be increased to recover the difference. However, depending on your actual water usage, this may not necessarily result in a higher total water bill. Water rates steadily increase due to the effects of conservation and from rising costs for water supply, increasingly stringent water quality compliance requirements, and replacements costs necessary because of aging infrastructure. These costs are managed by San Jose Water Company through careful planning, innovative development of technology, and sound engineering and construction. Continued investments to repair, replace, and rehabilitate the water system can also create thousands of local jobs and help local businesses thrive. San Jose Water Company employees work hard every day to deliver high-quality, reliable water service and exceptional customer service at the lowest possible cost. However, there are some costs we can't control. Nearly half of each dollar you spend on water goes to cover supply costs from the Santa Clara Valley Water District and to pay federal, state, and local taxes. For most households, you can cook, clean, bathe, and flush toilets for about $2.50 a day. A widely used benchmark for water affordability is published by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, and it shows that annual water bills less than 2.5% of the median household income are considered affordable. San Jose Water Company's current average monthly bill is approximately 1% of the median household income in San Jose. Safe and reliable water service is essential to public health, fire protection, and economic prosperity. All the things that contribute to the quality of life that we enjoy. Thanks for watching.